Well, hello there. Who is that dashing cat? You are, silly.
Oh, right, silly me.
I must ponder this. But first, let's spin. Let's really spin.